Hello everyone, and welcome to the continuation of our 3D scanning software or program. Okay, so yeah, this particular lesson we'll be looking at the software for photogrammetry or 3D scanning. So we have like ScanNect, we have Mushroom or Alice Vision, the capturing reality. So if we look at this, okay, that's the capturing reality. See this what it can help you achieve. Okay, I try using it, but I wasn't successful with it. But you can try it out yourself. Then we have that of Alice Vision. So this is what you can do with Alice Vision. So this kind of things requires like high processing power. It's free. I used Alice Vision some time ago, and yeah, actually I wasn't able to achieve what I wanted because it was taking time. I used a lot of images. Okay, so it took time. Like yeah, so I just had to pause it. But if you have the luxury, okay, the luxury of like that time, you might want to just read the documentation and then try getting something solid out of it. But the one that worked for me was ScanNect, okay, by Microsoft. But this one requires a hardware, okay, to be able to achieve that, okay. So when you visit the link, you would have to go to Get ScanNect, okay, and then just download it, okay. So the free one, so non-commercial. So this one, download. If you are using Mac, you use this. If you are using Windows 64 32-bit, just select the desired one for your PC. Then read the documentations. Okay, so as you see here, the documentations. Then yeah, you should be good to go. So let's see. So this connect again will require this particular hardware. Okay, so let's see the hardware. So it require Kinect 360. Okay, so you need this Kinect 360. Okay, and then which is that's the AC adapter and then the US so that you're able to connect it to your laptop or your computer to be able to scan. So it uses some infrared and then some kind of sensors to be able to scan the person or yeah, an individual or an object so that you can get your 3D model. So in our earlier lesson, let's say let me see the particular one. So this particular one, okay, this one was 3D scanned using ScanNext, okay. So using the hardware and then so the hardware or for the software to work or for the hardware to work, it requires using the Microsoft 360, okay, which is the one that people use in their gaming. Okay, so which is using gaming, okay. So those using ScanNext, you require the Xbox 360 to be able to work with this Connect. Okay. So with the hardware, also have smartphones, so you can use your smartphones using and then downloading the softwares that or smart applications like Xperi, um, Clone, and then Wider to be able to help you with the 3D scanning. You also have your computers as usual. In those days, you also people use kites and then they'll tie some camera on them to photograph. So that's for vast land. Okay. Okay. You can use helicopters, parachutes, and then balloons. Okay. So these ones are for kind of large scale or vast areas of lands when you'd want to do some kind of documentation or know the mass or yeah the mass of an area. Okay. You can also use satellites if you have that technology or the resource for that. Okay. Okay, so thank you. And then in our next lesson, we'll learn about some do's and don'ts of photogrammetry. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson, and then thank you.